Hello everyone, it's Toni. It's so good to see you again. I know it's been a while since you've seen my face and my videos have been few and far between, but I wanted to just catch you up on what's been going on. Well, about a year or so ago, my mother had a stroke and she also had a fall. So I've been going back and forth to take care of her and make sure that she's doing well and that she's getting back to health. So my videos have been sort of on the back burner, and that's why you haven't seen that many. And also I wanted to let you know that she's doing a lot better. So I really appreciate the comments wishing her well and all your prayers for her. And she wanted to thank you also, because I just talked to her and she just wanted to say thank you. And in her words, she wanted me to let you know what God can do, because she is feeling so much better and she's really happy. So I'm really thankful for that. She said she's feeling almost back to her normal self. So I wanted to tell you that I appreciate your prayers and let you know that it really does make a difference when you wish someone well and when you pray for them. It means a lot to me that you are thinking about me and my family. That being said, I wanted to say Happy New Year. I know it's February, but it's the beginning of the year for me. I'm just starting my first video of the year. And, every year I like to highlight the work that you've done. You guys have seen my projects and you did your own versions and you send me pictures and videos, and I get so excited because I just love that. I love to see what you've done. So today I want to highlight all the work that you've done and just, put the focus on you today. I have about 12 different projects that you guys have done that I'm going to show. And this is work from the past year. Actually work from some years before that too. There's some projects that I saw that didn't get into some of the other shows. So I want to add those on too. So with no further ado, here's your work. Now this first one is one of my very first projects that you guys love to keep making. Decorative candle holders. Jamila made two beautiful candle holders, glowing, very colorful, and the colors match her extraordinary centerpiece to really set off her table setting for Passover. Great job, Jamila. Number 2 is my lit chandelier floor stands. And just look at these stands that Rosie made for a few of her events. Rosie, you really took these to another level. They're just gorgeous. Number 3 is my mosaic bird bath. Now Dorothy said that she has never done a mosaic before, but after following the instructions, look at how amazing this project turned out. Dorothy, the birds are gonna love this. Number 4 is my Bohemian crystal table lamps. Now this is another project that Jamila did. She did a really great job recreating this and used the shade as a ceiling chandelier. Total awesomeness, Jamila. I really love seeing what you guys do with these projects. Which brings me to number 5, my featherless feathered silver wall art. Now, if you look on the wall right below the last project we featured from Jamila, you'll see that she also created her own beautiful featherless silver wall art. And Artsy also tagged me on a great job she did with this project. Number 6 is my paper houseplants. Now take a look at this perfect Dracaena plant that JojoArt made. Wow, Jojo, you did such a great job. I bet no one knows that this is made out of paper. And oh my God, look at this large rubber tree plant that Alicia made for her bedroom. Also made out of paper. I tell you, you guys are awesome. Number 7 is my fairy garden bird feeder. And look at this, Silvana created this perfect bird feeder. It looks almost exactly like the one I made. You're gonna have so much fun with this, Silvana. After years of having this out in my yard, the birds are still enjoying it. Number 8 is my modern art wall panels. And this is another project that Alicia did. Now she did her panels in gold to match the decor in her bedroom, and it really turned out great. Number 9 is my wedding bling card box. Edwina made her own beautiful bling card box in turquoise and silver and was inspired to make other blingy pieces for her DIY wedding that she said turned out fun and fabulous. Number 10 is my leaded glass wreath. And ooh, I really like this. Look at how Susan used a strand of diamonds around the diamonds as the leading in this piece. And Sweetbee, this is just beautiful. I really love how you crowned it with the silver and red berries, and the poinsettias at the bottom. It's just gorgeous. Number 11, paper flowers. After watching my Easter video, Deanna made these beautiful lilies that turned out really lovely. And Royce made my hydrangeas so beautiful and colorful that even a cat wanted to pose next to them. And take a look at Monica's big and beautiful magnolia flower. And finally, number 12 is my giant crystal and Christmas ornaments. Look at the awesome job that Chelsea did making her outdoor crystal ornaments. She has them all lit up and they turned out gorgeous. And Susan is here again. And ooh, looks like she added jewels to hers to make it sparkle. And finally, Rosie always gets very creative with these pieces. Look at how colorful and beautiful they turn out. Each one is uniquely different. She even created towers with roses at the top, similar to the lit stands that she made. Great job, Rosie. Now, was that not awesome? I told you guys are the best. Love seeing your work, and since my mother is doing a lot better, I am hoping to have a more consistent schedule and put out more creative videos so that you guys could do some more beautiful creative work. And I really appreciate you guys. So I just want to say have a great new year, and I will see you in the next video. Want more detailed instructions on some of these projects? On my Etsy store, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full-color, step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page, where you can pick up my multi-surface acrylic metallic paint, back in stock with 8 beautiful shimmering colors. You can mix millions of colors and create endless home beauty for indoor and outdoor projects. And while you're there, pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1 with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored, step-by-step instruction book. You can now get separate e-project booklets, and also full-color printed project booklets will be available on Amazon. On my Amazon page, you'll see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies used on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast and easy shopping and delivery convenience of Amazon. I'll be working every day to make crafting fun and easy for you. Follow me at Your House of Home and